Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna see how to create Gmail account without phone number. Firstly, on your Android, open the Settings app on your device. Go to Passwords and Accounts. Depending on your Android version, it might be called Users and Accounts or Accounts. Tap on Google, then click on Manage your Google account. Tap Add another account, and on the next screen, tap Create account on the bottom left corner. Choose For My Personal Use and enter your name, birth date, gender, and then tap Next. Choose your desired Gmail address and create a strong password, then tap Next. An optional, add a recovery email address. This step helps recover your account if you forget your password. When prompted for your phone number, tap Skip. Review your account info and confirm to complete the account creation. As a result, you'll successfully create a Gmail account without providing a phone number. You need to add a recovery email because it's strongly recommended. It helps with you recover account later if you lose access. If Google still insists on a phone number, this can happen based on suspicious activity or network. Try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network, restarting your phone and trying again, or waiting a few hours, then retrying. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.